YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180 pressure side pool cleaner. We're going to take this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we're going to do some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180. This is their pressure side pool cleaner. Typically a 3-wheel pressure side pool cleaner. As you guys can tell, I don't have any of the wheels on it. If you guys want to know how we got where we're at right now, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've actually got a full playlist for you guys on tearing this thing apart from the outside in. So for today's video, I want to show you guys how to remove the base. You don't necessarily need to remove everything that we're at right now to get to the base. So if you guys are just trying to strip the cleaner, obviously if you're trying to do a full rebuild, this would be a point where you can actually start to remove the base. But what we're going to focus on is as you guys flip it over, and it's just easier without the wheels. So that's kind of where we save this one for farther down the line. Don't necessarily need to wait this long. Once you remove the top, you can actually remove the bottom at the same time. They have both the screws available for you guys from the outside, unlike some of their newer cleaners where you got to kind of take one part to get to another. So what we're focused on is right here on the bottom. You guys will see you got 2 screw holes here. You're just looking at a Phillips head screw. So we're going to go ahead and remove both of these screws. They go all the way up into the frame, so they are a little bit longer screws, but not very long, you know, not compared to some of our other manufacturers where they use a lot longer for their base. So go ahead and unscrew them. You should be able to just kind of wiggle off the actual base. Now, attached onto the base, as you guys can tell, is the idler wheel along with the swing arm. So those are already pre-attached. We're going to dive into those into our next video. But for today, I just wanted to show you guys how to remove that to make sure that you guys can get this base off and get access in here to, there's some of my extra nuts that I had from a previous video. So if you want to see how I got those stuck, make sure you check out the link in the description because I got the funny playlist there for you guys. But just want to show you guys how to remove this. So make sure that you guys subscribe because we're going to dive into actually removing the idler wheel as well as get into the swing arm and then talk a little bit further about the actual thrust jet on the back of the Polaris 180. So I really appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.